Hello everyone, this is Teacher Keith, and today I want to show you how to use Mailchimp for free, no money whatsoever, to build a landing page to give away a resource like a PDF or flashcards, like digital flashcards for free, in exchange for someone's email. So that way you don't have to spam all of our Facebook groups saying, hey, if you want this resource, comment yes, and then commenting and messaging people like crazy. See, there's a couple different things that are wrong with that approach. First of all, it's terribly unprofessional. It comes across completely spammy. And other than getting some fleeting momentary attention to get people to run over to your YouTube or something, you don't get any lasting benefit. You don't have an email, you barely have names, you don't remember everyone you interacted with. But by using the methods that I'm going to show you right now, you have their full permission to email them and send them anything you want. You can try to sell to them, you can tell them your story, you can send them more resources, you can send them to websites, whatever you would like to do. Now, obviously, they can unsubscribe at any time, but this is your open invitation to send them anything you'd like and give it your best shot. So I'm going to teach you how to do this completely free in the hopes that some of you will follow these instructions and stop spamming the Facebook groups. So here we go. I'm already logged into Mailchimp and I am on a free account. I have not paid for this at all. Now, a landing page is basically, it's like a website, but a website is many pages and a landing page is one page. And usually this landing page is meant to get the people who visit it to do something, like make a purchase or give you something or go to another site and do something. So in this case, the landing page is going to give people a free download in exchange for their contact information. It's going to give them a free download in exchange for their email address. Now, it's up to you to give it the strong language that's required in different countries to get their explicit permission to email them. But basically, I add some language that says, by clicking this button, I give my full permission for you to email me future promotions and so on and so on. So I'm not going to change anything. I'm not going to get fancy. I'm not going to be teaching you templates. All I'm going to teach you in this video is simply how to create the landing page, how to choose a template, how to upload the file, how to publish the landing page so it goes live, and then what it looks like to access the content. So again, I'm in Mailchimp. It's a free account. On the left-hand side, I go to the pencil at the top and it says create. I don't know if it's still, there we go, create. Click on that pencil and you pick what you want to create. We are going to scroll down to landing page. And as it says here, a landing page is, you can create a landing page to collect new contacts, promote a product, or offer a discount. So let's click on that. We're going to give it a name, free phonics flashcards. That's going to be the name. All right, you pick your list. I only have one. It's the Reading Factory. Click begin. Now it's going to take you in and you can choose a template for your landing page. I'm just going to pick a simple one. There's all kinds of different themes. We'll pick lead generation, which is generating new contacts, new leads. We'll click on the first one. I like the colors. Anything you see here is fully customizable, so you can change the images, you can change the content. Again, for this video, that's not the focus. We're just going to let it load here. Here's my logo that I've already got loaded up into Mailchimp. And then you can click on any of this and you can change it. Click the pencil to edit. Here's a title. Here's that. Here's your email. That's the important part. So I'm going to click on the email box. It will show up on the right-hand side. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. All right. And you can change it to say whatever you want. I don't care about any of that. It says, after the form is submitted, send visitors to a confirmation message or a landing page or a web address. We're going to keep it at confirmation message. And we're just going to change the message down here. Thank you for subscribing. Please click here to download your free resource. And I'm going to highlight click here. I'm going to turn that into my hyperlink. So we're going to go up here and we're going to click on where it says link next to the underline. click the down arrow, we're going to choose File. And at this point, we're going to upload any file we want. I'm just going to pick a file I've already uploaded, but you can actually click Upload and then upload a file you want. Now on the free account, you're limited. I think it's like 10 megabytes per file, but I'm just going to click on that file there, and I'm going to insert. Now, I believe you can change this information. I don't need to. You don't need to change anything you see here. You can even change the file if you put the wrong file. I'm just going to click Insert one more time. And we have now inserted a file into our landing page. I'm just going to click Save and Close. Sorry, I think I clicked the wrong one. I always do that. There we go, Save and Close. Now it's saving. In a moment, it will reload. So here we are. It says ready to publish. Draft. Do not worry. No one will see it until you share the URL. You can make changes to a published landing page at any time. It gives you your checklist. Just kind of shows you what's going on. Okay. And then it says contacts will be added to your list. You can edit which list that is. Here's your URL. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to click publish in the top right. And in just a moment, it'll be live and ready to roll. So I'm going to open up a new window, drop my link, drop it in. This is the page you just created in less than 5 minutes. Scroll down, put in your email address, click subscribe. Now watch the message that appears where it currently says email address. Thank you for subscribing. Please click here to download your free resource. It is that simple. I'm going to click on the link. It takes us to our free resource. This is not on a separate web page. This is a special link that was produced by Mailchimp. I didn't pay for this, completely free. So all you got to do now is click download, and you have whoever is downloading that has access to the resource, and you now have their email address in your list. That's it. Very simple. Did it in less than 5 minutes. This is your way to, as I said, stop spamming Facebook groups with those silly posts like, hey everyone, if you'd like this worksheet that I made, please comment yes below, and then you just spam the heck out of those groups. It is so annoying. Nobody actually thinks it's professional. I'm actually quite disappointed people even respond to those posts because it's pretty silly. I hope this rescues some of you from spamming groups, and I hope it changes you and you now know how to do this, and it makes you more professional and gets you more success. So thank you for watching and following along. Thank you for watching and following along.